Right here I got I already cut up my multicolored peppers, onions, and mushrooms is in here. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna crack open some eggs. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna make some, I usually make my quiche in a pie pan with the crust, but one time I did them in muffin pans and it turned out real great. So I said, let me go ahead and do that. I got 5 eggs right here. I think I want to do about 8 eggs. So that's 5. Let me get 3 more. Two and 3. That's my oven. And so to this, I just like to put a little salt and pepper to it. Salt. Beat it up a little bit. Add a little milk. There's not much milk left in there, so let's go ahead and finish that off. Set to the side. And the key to this is spraying your muffin pan real good so it won't stick. I have a 12 muffin, 12. Make sure it's clean too. So we're gonna make 12 muffins. And like I said, the key to it is to make sure you spray them real good so it won't stick. And I usually cook my vegetables beforehand, but this time I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try it without cooking my vegetables. I guess you can do it either way. But like I said, here you have your mushrooms, red, yellow, orange, and green peppers, and the onion. And I'm just gonna put a little bit in each one. And I have some more, so I won't like much vegetables in there, so I'll be right back. Let me cut up some more. Okay, I got my rest of my mixture, cut up some more. I'll finish add this. And like I said, I usually cook my vegetables. This time I decided I wanted to try it raw vegetables and see how it turns out. And you could put the vegetables in your mixture already if you wanted to. You could do it that way. I mean, it's just different ways you can do it. So I got my egg mixture. Give it another little whip. Add some of this. You know what? It's probably an easier way to do this. Let's get bowl for corner. So I'll make a mess. And you're just gonna pour the egg over into it. This mushroom, if you wonder what it was. Pour you some more. No. No. Just pour your mixture over in it. Like so. I think 8 eggs is great. But if you're doing pie crust or in a, you know, the pie crust pan or the pie pan, I should say, you usually do you do 4 eggs to 1 cup of milk. And this right here is a little, not so much full, but that's okay. What I'm gonna do is just make sure press, not really pressing, but just want to make sure the egg mixture is throughout the vegetables, which it is. And I think that's a perfect, let me put a little bit of this juice over here. But 8 is perfect. And what we're going to do, we're going to put this in our oven and let it cook. And we'll be back. I'll let you know, show you the final results whenever I'm finished. So they are done now. And this is what they look like. Of course, that's the butter on the pan. So let me take them out the pan so you can see what they look like. So this is what they look like. And see how they just come easily up out the pan? That's because I really buttered the pan or greased the pan. And so there's a close-up to what they look like. And I'll just let this sit and cool off. And then you can eat on these the whole week. What is this? This is quiche, little muffin quiche.
Oh, they're so adorable.
And I'll just let them sit there and cool off. And you can put them in the fridge, and each morning you can just pop maybe a couple in the microwave, and that's your meal. if you wanted some toast or something with it.